Namaste and hello everyone. Hope you watched our previous video of health benefits of almonds or badam. Badam or almonds are very nutritious. They have multiple health benefits. Follow the link in the description box below to find out the health benefits of almonds. And as promised, here we have come with a wonderful yummy recipe of almond butter, which is very simple and easy to prepare at home. Before getting started with the recipe, kindly like our video, share our video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's get started with the recipe.
Hi guys, my name is Sreshta, 3rd class, Mythri Yoga Naturopathy Center. Today I am going to show you how to make tasty almond butter. Just you need few things and we will make in 5 to 10 minutes. I am using the iron pan, don't use aluminium pans and non-stick pans. Heat your kadai and I am taking 1 cup of almonds. We are doing dry roast. Just we need 1 cup of almonds. Friends, iron kadai is so much healthy for us because it is very nutritious. See, this is lemon drops. Lemon and iron fights. The fighting never ends. Doing only iron kadai or iron pan, something iron. Friends, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, now the almonds are roasted. Now we should keep them warm. It should not be too cold, too hot, just warm. And now we are going to blend it. And if you miss the health tips of almond, you can see in the description box. Now let me taste it. It is so tasty, you should eat it. Friends, now we are going to grind it. You should not use blender or food processor, just our Indian mixie. Hence now we will grind it. Friends, I have learnt using mixie. You can also take help with your mother and do. We should on off for 3 times and then keep it for a long time. That's it. Friends, we should blend one more time because it is like this. Some almonds are big pieces, that's why. Now it has become a fine powder. Now we are going to blend it for a long time. Friends, it has started releasing oil. Now we should keep it for more time. Now let me see, friends. It should blend some more. Let me mix this. The oil is releasing nicely. Let me blend it one more time. It's very nice and very jelly. Friends, see, this almond butter is looking so tasty and nice. Before I taste, I am giving to God with bread. See friends. See friends how tasty it is. Please subscribe our channel. And it's very tasty. Don't buy in ordinary shops. They will add chemicals, extra oils like that. See already how much oil is there. Let me taste. It's so sweet and tasty. Friends, you think that almond is not sweet, but it is so sweet. I'm pouring this into a glass container and keep it in room temperature. You can eat this with chapati, bread, and all that's your wish what you eat with. Friends, see, I have filled this peanut butter in the bottle. It's very nice. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Bye friends.